So, it's day 5 of filming every day, and today's going to be pretty boring. I have absolutely nothing to do. But I'm about to let Flash out, so we can check on all the buddies. If you're wondering why I haven't let Taz out yet, it's because he won't come out. But I'm gonna, on the weekend, so in like 4 days, I'm gonna let him out in the bathroom and start doing that. And then when they get bigger cages, I might start letting him out a lot more too. But we're about to let Flash out. So yeah. And then I gotta clean her cage today. I don't really have to clean it. I just have to change her water because this is what she did to it. I have to change her food out and give her some hay. Then I just have to give Momo's food and fresh water too. And then there's Choc. What do you want, Choc? You want out? Hang on then. I'm gonna let Chocky out and then we're gonna let Flash out after I get Chocky inside because it's raining today. So he's on his door now. Come! Come! You want the other hand? Come! Come! Come on! You can do it! Come! Come on!
Hello and welcome to Simon 100,000
Come!
First $100
Come!
USA edition. Rules are
Come here!
I have flown the boys out to LA and expected 2 teams. One team will be on holiday that costs 100,000.
You want up? Up up! No. Up up! You coming? Come here! I got my arm out for you. Here, come. Come. What you doing? You on Sponge's cage? What's that thing? That's not what I clicked on. Up. I'll let you guys know if he comes on my head or anything. Come! Come! Hey, come on! Come! Want this on? Come then. Come! Are you coming? You talking? You think about it? You're right, don't fold in them gaps. Come. You don't want to come? Are you coming? Or not? You think about it, no you don't want to? Put the camera down, he came, now he's on my arm. Hey! He came. You came? Hopefully you guys can hear. So I just moved up to the top end of my bed and we're sitting here watching SummerSlam. And he's just hanging out and him and Tazzy are talking. So yeah. You hanging out? You hanging out? Have you? Yeah. You're a good birdie. You're a good birdie. So I'll update you guys soon. The SummerSlam has like 3 hours, so I'll watch this. And then by then my mum will be home from work. And I'm probably just gonna have dinner, have a shower, and pretty much go to bed. So there's not gonna be too much content. This vlog's probably just gonna be maximum 8 minutes probably. But I'm gonna film what I do and let you guys know. Let me guys know if you love seeing the bird content or my pet content, because obviously I love my pets and they're gonna be in my channel a lot, so let me guys know. Dance, 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 dance. Dance, 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 dance. Ooh, 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 ooh. Good boy. Dance, dance, dance. Dance, dance, dance. Dance, 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 dance. Good job. So I ended up putting Flash away and having a 2-hour nap, so I'm not sure what else is going to be in this video. This might be the end.